everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you few kalamakari kurti designs. Kalamakari fabric are very much popular nowadays, and you can create many varieties of kalamkari kurtis. Not only simple straight cut kurtis, but you can also make these kind of A-line frock style pattern kurtis, and mix and match also you can do with these fabric. So please continue watching the video till the end so that you can get some idea about how you can make your kalamkari fabric into a designer piece.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.